Jupiter, come here, Juby. Come here. Look what I got here. We gonna put this on. Yeah, put here. Hold this. Look, Juby. What we gonna do with this? How we put this on? Let's go like that. No. Okay. Wait, Jupiter.
Yes, sir. Put it into the truck. Yes, sir.
Huh?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Look crispy.
Alright, Juby.
I want to be a soldier.
Look
There's my
at
soldier.
that. Hey.
Mommy, what? I want to be a soldier. I want to be a soldier.
Shut the fuck up, dummy. Aye. You wanna go right here? Look, Juby, and your leash. She thinks she's gonna go outside.
You think you're gonna go outside?
Jupiter, you wanna go outside? Let's go. Let's go outside. Let's go outside. Let's go. Let's go. Jupiter, we going outside? We go outside. We going outside. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go.
That came with the.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. She wanna go outside.
Let's put this on. Wait,
Oh, you're gonna
wait,
say
Juby.
hot dog?
Come on. You going this way. Come on. She's like, no, I want to go outside. Come on, Jupiter. Come on.
What?
Get my charger from the floor. Juby, you're going to stay right here.
Want me to give her this one?
There you go. You're tied up, Juby. You can't go nowhere. You can't go nowhere.
Come here, Jupiter. Come here, Jupiter.
Why would you call her? You know she can't go nowhere.
Want me to go? Want me to give her this?
Juby, leave it alone. Leave it alone.
No.
It's probably too tight on her.
I'm gonna give her
No, it's probably because she don't like it.
You want the Jupiter? Want me to give it to her?
You want it, Mommy? Yippee, eat it, Yippee.
I told you we should have got her that little small pack.
All right, Jupiter's chowing down her food.
Jupiter,